Now, this is how we do a sales invoice. You go to your Google Chrome by clicking on the Google Chrome there. Once it opens up, again you do https colon front slash two of them, the pharmacy name dot my pharmakit.com. There you go. Then it brings you to the login page where you put in your username and your password and you sign in. It'll take a second. Now, as mentioned in the POS, it's still the same procedure. You can either use clicking on the tab there. Alternatively, you can also click sales invoice, search, that is sales invoice, new sales invoice. Sorry, you'll just see new sales invoice. There you go. So either of the two will take you to the same. Give it a minute, it opens. Now you need to put in your client's name, assuming, let's do the cash because this is where, but also you can put in any customer that you have. This is a customer, so we'll do for the cash. There you go, cash, pick cash. Then you need to put a payment due date. It picks automatically the current date, but assuming this for a credit client who needs to pay by the end of the month, you can put that as a due date. Assuming that it's just for the same day, it's a cash, you put that. You come to update stock, you put your item there. Panadol, just search for it, it comes the drop down, you're able to look whatever you're looking for. You can use Panadol Advance as an example. It brings you the item, the description, how many, quantity. Here you're able to put the quantity that you want. Yes. Now, the rate you're able to change if you want. You can add other items by adding row, and then assuming augmenting, you get the drop down. You can choose whichever strength you want. Assuming it's a 1 gram, there you go, the rate. You can add another item again, 7Cs multivitamin, there you go, 1. Now, in case you want to give a discount, you come here, either of these. So assuming you want to give augmenting, you click on that, it brings you that drop down. You can confirm that it's augmenting that is there. You come to discount and margin, click on that opens, then you give the discount that you want, assuming it's 10%. You'll see this change. It was 203, now it's 183 because the 10% has been captured. So you can do this for any of them. You're able to do that. You can also delete rows by you can delete any of the items. So if you want to delete this, you just highlight that and then delete. So then you have only the 2 items remaining. Now, something to note that automatically it picks something with VAT. Assuming 7Cs has VAT, you're able to see the VAT has been picked here, and that's why it gives you the total. Yeah, and that is basic. So then you save. This allows you, if you need to maybe make some changes later, you're able to change before you submit. Once you submit, it's a final invoice and it can't be modified. So you can be able to still do one or two things, maybe delete, then again you can be able to save and then submit. Once you submit, it's a final. Permanently submit, then you click yes. There you go. You're able to send it to your client, assuming you're able to send to your client, whoever you want to send to, and you're able to send that. Now, as you can see, it's unpaid. So basically, if you have a pharmacy setup whereby you have the pharmacy assistant or the pharmtech, picking the prescription, doing the giving out the pricing, but you have a teller, a cashier or a teller who does the payments, then on their side they come and click on sales invoices. They will see all of them. This is unpaid. So you click on this tab here, this square thing here, and then they just come and make payment. So they're able to make payment, and it will change to, yeah, then you need to say, then confirm it's the amount. Now you normally confirm the amount is okay, then you save. Okay, normally you need to put a reference in terms of the payment, so you can always put a reference date and the date of payment. This enables you to a bit later, if there was check payment or a pesa payment, to put your reference there. Then you save and submit. Permanently submit, yes. So now when you come back to your sales invoice, it will read as, to change from unpaid to paid. In the same way, if somebody returns the goods, you still come back. Sorry, that was too fast. You still come back to the same invoice. There you go. You can make a return or a credit note. There you go. So you can see it's -10. You save and you submit. So basically, that is how you make a sales invoice, and from here you can be able to if you need a new one, if you, as in for the next client, you put a new sales invoice, the same procedure. We can still come back to your home page, create a new sales invoice, or type again here for sales invoice, new sales invoice.